Okay. So far, we have discussed regarding finding the zeros of a polynomial as well as the relationship between zeros and coefficients of a polynomial. Right? Any doubts so far? I hope everything is clear. We can proceed with the next topic of unit second. That is on division algorithm for polynomials. Algorithm for polynomials. In the previous unit, that is in real numbers, we have discussed regarding division algorithm that is given by Euclid, right? Euclid's division algorithm. That is in the case of real numbers. There is division algorithm in the case of polynomials as well. We know that cubic polynomial have at the max 3 zeros, right? If you are given with 1 0, you can find other 2 zeros as well using this division algorithm. For example, let me take one example, that is divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. How can we divide this? Dividing this polynomial with this polynomial, a linear polynomial. How to divide this? For dividing, we can take that as 2x square, given that this 2x square plus 3x plus 1, that needs to be divided by the term, by the expression x plus 2, right? For that, we'll do first, let us look into this as well as look into this term. What is here is 2x square. When we multiply something, we need to multiply something with this term so that we get this term. So what is the term that we need to multiply to this term? Which term we can choose?
2x.
Yes, exactly. It is 2x. We'll choose 2x, that is 2x multiplied by x, that gives us 2x square, as well as we need to multiply with this and write it over here. That is, we get 4x, right? Then what we have to do is just reverse the sign. So since here it is plus, here it is plus, if it is negative, we need to put plus sign here. Then simplifying, this gets cancelled, minus 4x plus 3x, that is minus x or minus 1x. Then we need to take this term to here, plus 1. And again, we need to get, we have to multiply something to this term, and we have to get this term. So that, what is the term we can multiply with?
-1.
Yes, it is minus 1. So minus 1 into x, that gives us minus x. Similarly, we need to multiply to this term, that we get minus 2. Just reverse the signs, this gets cancelled, and here what is the term left is 3. So further we cannot do this, since you have to stop this division process when either the remainder is 0. If we get this term as 0, we can stop this. Otherwise, if its degree is less than the degree of the divisor, can anyone tell me which is divisor here? What term is divisor here? What is divisor in this term?
X plus 2.
Yes, it is x plus 2. This term is divisor. So you can see the degree of divisor, it is 1, right? Degree of the divisor is 1, and you can see the degree of this remainder, that is 0. So that we can stop this division process, and this is the divisor, and remember this is the dividend. Also this is the remainder, and this term is nothing but quotient. Remember these terms. This is the divisor, and the expression which is divided, which is being divided by the divisor, that is nothing but the dividend, and the term left after division process, that is remainder. Then the answer what we obtained, that is nothing but the quotient. Further we can see that this term, that is 2x minus 1, when multiplied by x plus 2 plus and added with the remainder, this is the quotient, and this is the divisor, and this is remainder. When we simplify this, the term what we get is 2x square plus 3x minus 2 plus 3, or it is 2x square plus 3x plus 1. This is nothing but the dividend, right? So that we can verify this division process is correct. And in general I can write always dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus the remainder. Remember this always. Remember this always. Dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by the quotient plus the remainder. Then further, let me take one more example. Divide 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by the term x minus 1 minus x square. you can see these are not in the regular order, the general form. They are not in the general form. X cube is here, x square is here. Also here also you can see x square is written in the last. X is written here. For that, what we need to do is just we need to rearrange the terms. Rearrange the dividend can be written as minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5, as well as divisor can be written as minus x square plus x minus 1. Just rearrange these terms, and now do the division process. What is the remainder? Can anyone do the division process and tell me what is the remainder we get? Minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5 minus x square plus x minus 1. We need to get the x cube here, so that we multiply this with x, we get minus x cube plus x square, then multiply to this, we get minus x, and change the signs. This gets cancelled. This will be 2x square plus 2x square and minus 2x, and take this term below 5. Again, we'll do the same procedure, but this term here plus 2x square, so that we multiply with negative 2, that get us plus 2x square, and minus 2 into x, that minus 2x, then this term minus 2 into 1, this will be plus 2, reverse the sign, this gets cancelled, and what left is the remainder plus 3. And let us check whether this division process is correct or not. To check the division process, what we have to do is, we know that divisor into quotient multiplied by quotient and adding the remainder, that gets us the dividend. So divisor here, what we obtained is minus x square minus x minus 1. It is the divisor. Then the quotient we obtained here is x minus 2, x minus 2, and remainder we obtained is plus 3. Just simplifying this, you will get minus x square plus 3x minus 3x plus 5. Sorry, minus 3x square minus 3x plus 5, which is nothing but the dividend. Is that clear, everyone? This is how you do the division, and this is how you verify whether what obtained, the obtained remainder and the device quotient, all these are correct. You can check this by this formula. Is that clear, everyone? Please let me know if there is any doubt. You can ask me. Okay. Others? Any doubt? Okay, understood. Fine. I'll proceed then. Next is the example which I'm going to give is about how to find the zeros when a polynomial is given. Also, we have to find the other zeros. They have given only two zeros. That is, find the zeros of the polynomial 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2, and given zeros, they have given only two zeros like root 2 and minus root 2. What we can do is, here they have given only the polynomial, not the divisor. We need divisor. Okay, to find out the divisor, since these two zeros are given, no, we can write this as square root of x minus square root of 2 into x plus square root of 2. Since these two are the zeros, these are equal to x, right? When we can, that can be written in this form as well. And just on simplifying, we can write, since this is a minus b into a plus b, a minus b into a plus b, this is of the form a square minus b square. This is what we obtained. This is the factor of the polynomial. And we can use this as divisor. Now let us perform the division process. 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube, the dividend, minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2, and the divisor is x square minus 2. This divisor is obtained from the zeros given in the question. Now I have got x square here, but x to the power 4. By what term we can multiply? Can anyone tell me? What term? We can multiply with this by 2x square. 2x square into x square. That gives us 2x to the power 4. Then multiply this with this, we get minus 4x square. But we don't get the cube, x to the power 3. So what we do is just keep this place blank and write it here. That is 4x square. Just reverse the signs and write it here. This gets cancelled. This will be minus 3x cube and plus 2x, sorry, plus x square and write these terms as well, plus 6x minus 2. Now further, we need to get 3x cube minus 3x cube. That is why we multiply by this 3x minus 3x into x square. That gives us minus 3x cube. But we have 2 here. So this place we keep it blank and write it over here. that is plus 6x, right? This will be, again, this gets cancelled and this gets cancelled. We are left with x square minus 2. Now, what is the term we can multiply with? It is 1. So 1 into x square, that is x square, and 1 into minus 2, we get minus 2. Simplify, we get 0. These terms gets cancelled. So what is the remainder? It is 0. This term 2x to the power 4 minus 3x square minus, sorry, 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. This can be written as x square minus 2, that is divisor, into the quotient 3x plus 1 plus the remainder. Remainder is 0 here. We have already obtained the 0 of this, that is plus square root of 2 and square root of minus 2, right? We have to obtain the 0 of this. That is, just use the factorization. Just factorize this. We get 2x square, 2 and 1s are 2 minus x minus x. So on simplification, we can write x square minus 2 that is 2x square minus 3x plus 1. This can be written as 2x square minus 2x minus 1x plus 1, which is equal to 2x into x minus 1 minus 1 into x minus 1, which is equal to x minus 1, 2x minus 1. Therefore, zeros are x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 by 2. Now we have the remaining zeros. This is 1 0, this is another 0, and the 0 obtained here are x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, zeros of the polynomial are 1, 1 by 2, square root of 2 minus square root of 2. These are the zeros of the polynomial. This is how we find out the zero of a polynomial. For that, first we need to obtain the factor or divisor using these zeros. Then using that divisor, we need to multiply the we need to divide the dividend. Then we use the formula of divisor into quotient plus remainder, this formula, and in that we can see that this quotient can be further factorized. The quotient, when we factorize the quotient, we obtain the other two zeros. Clear? Okay. Yes. Now let us perform some of sums from your exercise 2.3. I'll do the second one. Okay, rest first one and second one is homework for you. That is in the first main. That is given, divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x and find the quotient and remainder of the following. In the first main, the second one, the p of x is given as x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Then g of x is given as x square plus 1 minus x. Here dividend is this term, x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. But you can see here there is the cube, x cube term is missing, so that we can write this as x to the power 4 x to the power 4 plus 0x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Also, the divisor term is x square. Just need to rearrange that, x square minus x plus 1. And now you can divide x to the power 4 plus 0x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 x square minus x plus 1. We need to get this x to the power 4. For that, we need to multiply with x square. We get x to the power 4. Then multiply to this term. We get minus x cube. And to this, we obtain plus x square. And reversing the signs, this gets cancelled. This we get plus x cube and minus 4x square, and take these terms downside, plus 4x plus 5, and again follow the same procedure, multiply by x, we obtain x cube minus x square, also x, reversing the signs, this gets cancelled. This is minus 4x square plus x, and this will be minus 3x square plus 3x plus 5. Again, we obtain, we multiply with 3, we get 3x square minus 3x and minus 3, cancel, sorry, this will be 6x, sorry, this minus 3 into minus 1, this will be plus 3, right? This is minus, so gets cancelled, and here we obtain as 8. So this is the remainder. Therefore, quotient is x square plus x minus 3 and remainder is equal to plus 8. This is how we find, or this is or how we divide the terms or divide this p of x by g of x, and rest of the two, that is the first one and the third one, those are homeworks for you. They are of the similar kind. You need to find out quotient and the remainder. Okay, I'll give you the answer. For the first one, you obtain quotient as x minus 3 and remainder as 7x minus 9. And for the third one, we'll obtain quotient that is equal to minus x square minus 2 and remainder as minus 5x plus 10. So please do the homework and let me know if there is any doubt. Okay. Have you guys noted down this? If yes, we can do the second main one. In the second main, they're asking to check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. We can say a polynomial is the polynomial or the divisor is a factor a factor of another polynomial when we obtain the remainder as 0. Suppose the remainder is 0 bantu antadre, we can say that the second polynomial is the factor of, first polynomial is the factor of second polynomial. Okay, it is given. I'll do the first one and the third one. Okay, the first one is given t square minus 3 and 2t to the power 4 plus 3t square 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 2. Here the first polynomial is t square minus 3 and second polynomial is 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 2. We'll do the division process. 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Here t square minus 3. To obtain this, we multiply with 2t square. You get 2t to the power 4. Here it is 3. So when we multiply to this, we get minus 6t square minus 6t square. Reversing the signs, This gets cancelled. Write it here. 3t cube plus 4t square minus 9t minus 12. Again, multiply with 3t. You will get 3t cube minus this term is again blank, and yeah, here it will be minus 9t. Reversing the signs, this is 4t square. This is 0. This term is 0, and we get 12. Then multiply this with plus 4, and you get 4t square minus 12. So the remainder is 0. Remainder is 0 here. That is why we can say that t square minus 3 is a factor of 2t square plus 3t plus 4. Sorry, this 4t square minus 3 is a factor of 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. This is how we find out whether it is a factor. If the remainder we obtain is 0, then we can say it is a factor. And similarly, the third one in the second domain, that is the first polynomial is given as minus x cube minus 3x plus 1, and the second is minus x to the power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. This is the first polynomial. This is the second polynomial. We do the division process. X to the power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. This is x cube minus 3x plus 1. First multiply with x square to this, you will get x to the power 5 minus 3x cube and plus x square. The remainder will be x cube plus 3x plus 1. Again, multiply with minus 1, you get x cube minus plus 3x minus 1 gets cancelled, but the remainder is plus 2. Therefore, here remainder is not equal to 0. That is why we can say that x cube minus 3x plus 1 is not a factor, of x to the power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Got it? And please do the first one. First one will be the homework for you. sorry, the second one, that is x square plus 3x plus 1, and 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. That will be homework for you. And the third one, third main, that is obtain all the zeros of given the polynomial, that is 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Then given zeros are square root of 5 by 3 and minus square root of 5 upon 3. This is a polynomial of degree 4, right? This is a polynomial of degree 4. That means we can obtain at most 4 roots given the square root of 5 by 3 and square root of minus 5 minus square root of 5 by 3. Those are the zeros of the polynomial. So we can write this as minus x minus 5 by 3 into x plus square root of 5 by 3. How much we get? This as x square minus 5 by 3. We can simplify this. We can write 3x square minus 5 is equal to 0. This is one of the factor of that given polynomial. So what is the next step? What is the next step? Tell me. Yes, quick. Yes, division. How to do the division? We need to divide 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 with 3x square minus 5. Yes, do it quickly and tell me the quotient as well as the remainder. I'll give you 5 minutes. The quotient as well as the remainder. Do it quickly. Only 5 minutes you have. ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ Yes. Answer, please. X square plus 2x plus 1. Remainder is 0. Yes. And others? Bhumika, what was the answer you got? What is the quotient you obtained, Bhumika? As well as Abhiram, Aditya, Noor. Did you guys obtain the answer or not? Okay. So first you need to multiply with x square. There you get 3x to the power 4. This term we keep it blank, and 5x square. Keep it down, that is 6x cube. This will be plus 3x square minus 10x minus 5. Again, multiply with 2x, we'll get 6x cube. This will be 0 and minus 10x. This gets cancelled, and 3x square minus 5. So plus 1, 3x square minus 5. Remainder will be 0. Remainder obtained as 0. Next, further we need to factorize this term. We need to factorize the quotient. Factorize the quotient we obtained, that is x square plus 2x plus 1. So when we factorize this term, we get x square plus x plus x plus 1. This is x plus 1 into x plus 1, which is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, other two zeros. Therefore, zeros are, what are the zeros now? We have minus 1, as well as the two zeros given in the question itself. That is why it is 5 by 3 minus 5 by 3 minus 1 comma minus 1. These are the zeros of the polynomial. Then the fourth main, that is, they are given on dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, the quotient and the remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. We need to find g of x. What is g of x? They have given dividend, which is p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Also quotient is given x minus 2. Then the remainder, which is minus 2x plus 2 plus 4. They have to find the value of g of x. How do we find this? How do we find this? Anyone tell me? We know the formula, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here they are asking us to find the divisor g of x. Just rearrange these terms. The dividend here is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, and g of x into the quotient, that is x minus 2 plus minus 2x plus 4. Just rearrange this and take to other side. We get x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus 2x plus 4 is equal to g of x into x minus 2. Then g of x will be equal to g of x into x minus 2 will be equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 sorry 3x square minus cube minus 3x square plus 3x, right? Here it will be plus 3x minus 2. Just simplifying this, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x. Here x, this will be plus 2x, minus minus plus 2x, and this will be plus 2. Here it will be minus 4. That is why we get minus 2 here. Then dividing this, we need to divide this term with this, because to obtain g of x, on simplifying we can write g of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 upon x minus 2, right? That is why we just divide this x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 with x minus 2, and yes, give me the quotient as well as the remainder. And the quotient obtained is nothing but the g of x. Yes, quickly, I'll give you 3 minutes. Only 3 minutes. Yes. What is the quotient? I need everyone's answer. I need you guys. I need Abhiram, Aditya, Noor Shadaf, as well as Prajwal, Smriti. Please answer me. Yeah. Yes, Aditya, you are right. But what about uh, the quotient? Sorry, uh, I didn't read you. Oh, yeah, Aditya, remainder is correct. But what about the quotient? And Pawan, please recheck. Uh, the remainder and the quotient what you obtained is not correct. No, Aditya, you made a mistake. The quotient is not the answer which I have given. It should give. Yes, yeah, Prajwal is correct. You guys are making some mistake in between, I think. Quotient, yes, Smriti, you are correct. And yeah, Namrata, yes, you are right. Just what about Noor, Abhiram? Guys, I haven't received your message yet. Okay, here, just look at this. We need to just look at the first term only. Sorry. Just have a look at this first term, that is x cube. We need to obtain x cube. We need to find that term so that we obtain, on multiplying with the x, we obtain x cube. That is nothing but x square, right? Just have a look at this term and this. So when you multiply x square with x, you get, yes, uh, no, that is minus. No, that is not the answer. You made a mistake, small mistake, I guess. The first term is correct, the x square. You obtain x cube, right? Then you need to multiply this x square with the second term, that is minus 2. 2 minus 2 into x square. How much you get? Nothing but minus 2x square. Just write it over here. Then again you need to do the simplification, just reversing the signs, and this is plus and this is minus. The minus is greater, minus 3 here. This will be minus x square, minus x square. Then take these two terms downwards, that is plus 3x minus 2. Now again have a look at this. Here it is minus x square and here it is x. So which is a suitable term so that I can multiply, so that I can get minus x square? It is minus x, right? You multiply minus x, the minus x into x, you obtain minus x square. So it is minus x square. Also multiply minus x with minus 2, minus x into minus 2. This is plus 2x. This will be plus 2x. And since there is no further terms, you just stop it here and you just revise the sign. It is how much? 3x minus 2x. This is x plus x minus 2. You can see now minus x minus 2 here as well as x minus 2. That is why x minus 2 into 1, you will get x minus 2, right? So here it is plus 1. Multiply the whole term to this, what you get is x minus 2 and the remainder is 0 here. Remainder is 0, and when the remainder is 0, we just stop the division process and we write the quotient. The quotient we obtained, that is g of x, is nothing but x square minus x plus 1. This is the term that we need to find out. Clear? Yes, good. And as well as in the fifth main, they are asking us to give some examples of the polynomials p of x comma g of x, q of x, and r of x which satisfy the division algorithm. Also, I'll do the one, or I'll do the first one only. Okay, where they're asking us to give example of a polynomial in which degree of p of x is equal to degree of q of x. P of x is nothing but the dividend and q of x is nothing but the quotient. We need to give a polynomial where the dividend, the degree of the dividend is equal to degree of the quotient, that is p of x is equal to 3x square plus 3x plus 3. When it is divided by 3, ml to be divided by g of x is equal to 3. Just divide this 3x square plus 3x plus 3 divided by 3. This you get 1 x square plus x plus 1. This is the quotient q of x. What you see here is the degree of this quotient. Degree of quotient q of x is equal to 2, as well as which is equal to the degree of dividend p of x. Therefore, division algorithm is satisfied. Similarly, we need to give the examples of other two, where the second one, that is degree of the quotient q of x is equal to the degree of the remainder r of x. I'll give the example, just check it out whether it is right or wrong. P of x, x cube plus 3, that need to be is divided by g of x, x minus 1. Just check it out whether the degree of this here in the quotient, so you will obtain the quotient, right? Q of x you will obtain. Check it whether the quotient, the degree of this is equal to the degree of remainder r of x. Also, for the third one more homework. Check the degree of r of x is equal to 0. Can we obtain this? For that, just take this example or your own example. Check it by what term we can divide this. If we divide this by x, whether we get the remainder as 0. Okay. Yes. So here ends complete polynomials. And sorry for the time, it's already 12:42, right? Bit extended. So far we discussed about finding zeros of polynomial, as well as finding zeros and the relationship between zeros and the quotients of the polynomial, as well as the division algorithm or the division of these polynomials, how we divide the polynomials. Yes, I hope everything is clear for you guys. If any doubt, Abhiram, did you understood? Aditya, Namrata, Noor, Pawan Kumar, Pavana, Prajwal, Smriti, any doubts? Okay, great. Great. Okay, guys, then. So we can wind up here.